How to delete Zaps and Zapier. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, you must go to this website name Zapier.com. Now this interface will pop up. Here on the left top, you can find this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on Assets. So this is the place where you can find different folders and zaps that are created. Now if you slowly scroll down, these are the ones that are available. Now in order to delete it, here on the right hand side, simply swipe right. Here there's a section of this three dot button. Simply tap on it and at last tap on delete. So make sure you want to delete the zap. At last hit on delete and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.